get into our next lesson. Today is Wednesday, the 24th of February in the year 2021. This is grade 1 maths. But before we get into our math stuff, let's look at this lovely animal in the background here. What animal is it? It's a bird, yes. What type of bird is it though? It's a hummingbird. Yes, look at how lovely their feathers are. They're shining in the sunlight. It looks glittery, right? Yes, hummingbirds are quite beautiful. And they are actually the smallest bird in the world. And because they're so small, their nests are also tiny. So here is a picture of a hummingbird sitting on its nest. And its nest is so small that it can fit under a leaf. So the leaf will shelter the nest from the sun and from the rain. And if the nest is so small, do you think the eggs are big or would they be small too? Yes, the eggs would also be small, and they are actually as small as a jelly bean, some of them even smaller than that of a jelly bean. So that's how small their eggs are. Yeah. And hummingbirds are actually the only birds that can fly backwards. Isn't that cool? So yes, they have a cute tiny nest and they're cute small birds that can fly backwards. How adorable is that? Now let's get into our math stuff. The number of the week is 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. Close your eyes and spell that for me. One more time. Let's go. S-E-V-E-N 7. That's the number of the week. This is how it looks in figure. This is numeral 7 or digit 7. Could you hold up your 7 fingers for us to review? So we have 5 on one hand and 2 on the other. 5 and 2 gives us 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. And this is how 7 looks on a domino. So yesterday we looked at it one way and now we're looking at it in another way. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side and then 1, 2 over here. So again, 5 plus 2 equals 7. So this is how you can add 7 on a domino as well. So that's the number of the week, 7. And we have to practice how to write our number
How
7.
do we write the number 7? Across the sky and slide the line. Say 7 every time. Let's try that again. Across the sky
and
slide the line. Makes 7 every time.
Now it's going to be your turn to say.
Let's see if you can say it this time.
So let's get into ordinal numbers. That's what we've been looking at for this week. So we use numbers such as 1, 2, and 3 to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We use those types of numbers to count. But we use numbers such as first, second, third to give position. These are ordinal numbers. It tells us the position that something is in. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Those are ordinal numbers. All right, so let's say the ordinal numbers together. So here I have for you the first one is first. You're starting off with the number 1 here. So you have first. So the first ordinal number is this one. All right, so you have a 1, and then you add the SC on the end to write it in figures. In words, it's spelled out like this. So first, so just as when you are counting, you have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to see these numbers again in ordinal numbers, but then they have special endings to them. You see? So you know this is first, so you write your 1, then you put your ST. So we have first. So what number do you think is coming next? Second, yes. So for second, you would write a number 2 because after 1 will come the 2. So after first comes the second. So you write the number 2, but you add a small n and d next to it to show that it's an ordinal number saying second. This is it in words. S-E-C-O-N-D, second. So this is second. Next up, you have third. Yes, because after the number 2 would have to come the number 3 in ordinal numbers. This would be third. So third, you write your number 3 and you put the small rd. Third. D, third. So you have third. The ordinal number third. So it has a 3. So this is third place. All right. After the third will come what? So if you were counting, after 3 would come a 4. Yes, a 4. But in ordinal numbers, that position would be called fourth. It would be called fourth. So you have F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. So on the number 4, you would add a small T and H to represent fourth, for fourth place. All right, in ordinal numbers, that would be fourth. So before the fourth, we had third. So third, fourth. So what would come after the fourth? What number will come after 4 if you were counting regularly? After 4 would come 5. In ordinal numbers, that is called fifth. That would be called fifth, right? So you still have a number 5, but there's a TH there on the end to represent for it to be fifth. F-I-F-T-H, fifth. That's how you say it, all right? This is how we write it in figures. This is in words. So after fifth will come what number? What do you think? Nice, yes, because after 5 comes 6, so after fifth will come sixth. Got it? Sixth. So you have the number 6 with the TH there. S-I-X, 6. You see the word 6 here, and then you add the TH to make it sixth. Nice. And after sixth will come... Nice. After 6 will come 7, so after 6 would come seventh. Seventh. So number 7 with a TH. S-E-V-E-N, 7. No, the number of the week, and then we have the TH. That makes it seventh. So the ordinal numbers is like you're repeating your counting numbers, but they have a little extraness to them now, you know? So after seventh will come what number? So after 7 will come 8. So after seventh will come eighth. Eighth. So you have your number 8. You add your TH. This is now eighth. That makes it an ordinal number. The TH makes it the ordinal number. E-I-G-H-T-H, eighth. That is eighth. The eighth position. After 8 will come what position? So after 8th, you will have ninth. Right. Nice. You're getting this. So ninth. Ninth is spelled, however, N-I-N-T-H. That's how you spell ordinal number. Ninth. So you have your 9 and you have your TH to make it ninth. And finally, what would be the last number here? After 9 will come 10. So after ninth is 10th. Yeah, we got to 10th place. So let's see. You have 1, 0, 10, but you added the TH there. So that makes it 10th. That's your ordinal number, 10th. T-N-T-H, 10th. Nice, you did such a lovely job. Now we are going to try giving some objects positions together. So let's try together. So we have here some animals from the garden. You see them? We have a butterfly, a bee, a dragonfly, a ladybird, and a snail. So we're going to start at the butterfly. And if we're starting at the butterfly, that would mean that the butterfly is in what position? What is the first ordinal number? The butterfly would be in first place. Nice. So if the butterfly is in first place, what position is the bee in? The bee comes after the butterfly. So the bee would be in second place. Yes. And then after second, after the number 2 here, 20, will come what position? What position is the dragonfly in? So first, second, third. The dragonfly would be in third place. Nice. And after third comes fourth. So this ladybird is in fourth place. Great. So let's review real quickly here. We have first butterfly, second bee, third dragonfly, fourth ladybird. And so that means the snail is in which position? The snail is fifth. Yes, the snail is fifth. So those are the position that we have these garden animals in. Now let's do our next one together. So these are things that we will find in school, right? I know some of you miss school so much, so I had to put things that we find in school here. So we're going to start here at the bell. What position would the bell be in if we're starting at the bell? The bell would be in First place. Nice. The bell is in first place. We have one ST there. First place. And then the books come after the bell. So what place will they be in? The books would be in second place. Nice. So first, then second. So what position would the ruler be in? The ruler will be in third place. Nice job. First the bell, second the books, third the ruler. After third will come fourth. We have the crayons in fourth place. The number 40H. And after fourth will come fifth. The globe is in fifth place. So let's go. First bell, second books, third ruler, fourth crayons, and fifth globe. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Right? Now it's some practice for you guys. So I want for you to tell me what position the bird is in. The bird alone, just look at it. What position is the bird in? It's in first place. It's the first position is the number one, so therefore it's in first place. Nice. Now what about the cat? What position will the cat be in? So we have bird, dog, cat. You have 1, 2, 3. The cat is in third place, right? It's in the third position. It's number 3, so it's in third position. The cat is in third place. Now, what about the chicken here? What position is the chicken in? Right, you could use a technique of counting it out and then figuring out the ordinal number, all right? So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The chicken is number 5, so in ordinal numbers, that would be the chicken is in fifth place. The chicken is number 5, so the chicken is in fifth place. Were you able to get those? Awesome job. If you were able to get them, we're going to keep practicing, okay? So now it's your turn. You're going to practice and you're going to get this right. You're going to look at these objects. I have some delicious treats here for you guys. Write these inside of your books and you're going to tell me what position the object that I mentioned down here is in. You can write it in numbers or you can write it in words. I need for you to tell me what position the object is in. And you're going to start on this side, all right? So this would be the number 1. You're going to start here and you're going to go upwards. And then you're going to tell me what position these objects are in, all right? And that would be the end of our lesson for today, our math lesson. So bye bye. See you guys another time and enjoy the balance of your day.